The Ada Covered Bridge Act of the legislature in 1867 authorized Ada Township to borrow up to $3,000 for the purpose of building or repairing bridges in the township. This bridge was built about that time, apparently by William Holmes. The design for the trusses was patented by Josiah Brown in 1857. A timber bearing his name was uncovered during repair work. The bridge has been threatened by floods a number of times. It is said that farmers used to drive wagons loaded with stone onto the bridge during high water to hold it to the foundation. The bridge was closed to automobile traffic in 1930 and restored by the Kent County Road Commission in 1941.
Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content on everything that makes West Michigan great.